You are watching Found in Japan, and today we're going to be walking from Namba to Shinsaibashi. Just a short little 30-minute walk, I think, because today I'm actually going to go to a friend of mine's family's restaurant that is opening. And we're going to see what we find on the way, and then I'm going to do a secondary stream at the restaurant, I hope. I need to make sure that the connection is okay there. So here's some horai, gogoichi horai, people, steamed buns. Look at that. Today is Bunka no Hi, I believe, so it's Culture Day. I spent today doing a Halloween kind of party, and then Namba station, this is the main platform. Actually, I didn't want to pay for an expensive train, so I bought myself a drink and I made a short, and I will have that up tomorrow. This month I'm going to try to have a new video or short up every day of the month. Please come back and check that out if you haven't already. Krispy Kreme donuts. It's pretty sad to see the Halloween stuff go. I like the looks. It looks like they've got minions right now. Oh wow, they've already got the Christmas lights out. I might have to do a inverse Christmas walk. So every year in Osaka, from Namba up to Umeda, along the Midoshiji Road here, they put Christmas lights out. And well, I think that's kind of early. It is November, so can you guys see that? A little purple in the trees. Each section is a little different, so I guess since we're closer down here, so it's gonna look. All right, let's get to the Shotengai here and see what's going on. So my friend, who's actually the brother of the owner of the restaurant, he's going to try to meet us around 5:30. So we're not in a super rush. Right now it's just before 5, so take a slow walk. The connection today is just horrible. I'm sorry if it's jittery. Here's the Rikuro Oji-san. I was thinking to stop and get one on the way home, but if there's this many people, I definitely will not be doing that. Here's the big Gogoichi Horai. They're actually making these steamed buns. My friend who lives in Hokkaido actually told me today that his mom visited recently and she brought them back. They are hand packing these. HT, hey, well, how was your day? It was very good. So hello HT in the chat. Right now I'm on my way to Shinsaibashi to go to a friend's new restaurant. It's going to be a Mongolian cafe. I've never had a Mongolian food before, so today, as I said in the intro, is Bunka no Hi, or Culture Day. So I spent almost all day at a Halloween party and what's it called? Watching the All Japan Kendo Championships on the internet, which was phenomenal today. Can you tell how long the stream will be? I'm thinking this first stream will be about 30 minutes or so until I walk to near the restaurant. and then I'm actually going to cut it off and go into the restaurant and see how the signal is, and we'll have a different stream inside. So we're just doing a little slow show tengaing till we get there. That's why I'm just thinking to make it a separate video as like another thing. The owner, my friend, he's an American guy but married to a Mongolian lady, and she actually had a different restaurant, but they've moved. So okay, cool. Yeah, man, if you got work to do, please don't worry. But just gonna do some show tengaing till there's actually an ambulance in the show tengai. I'm actually gonna move to the side and let this ambulance get through. Hope they can drive safely and get where they need to go. Osaka Fire Department. It's so weird to see all these people for like years and years. There's just, it feels like there was nobody ever here. So what holiday is it today? Tokyo Paul talked about it. So yes, HT is in the chat talking about Tokyo Paul. Tokyo Paul Live, friend of the channel. Hashtag found Japan Stream Team, our little group. Today is Bun ka no Hi, which means National Culture Day, which is probably why the Kendo tournament was on today. So there is a lot of people. So still very ahead of schedule, so I'm going to take a little lap around here. There's a camera in this glass box and one over here, so if you look for the Dotonbori live feed, you should be able to see this on YouTube. This is a Japanese theater. They have all sorts of stuff. So this is the famous comedians doing a show and actor. She's famous from Osaka. Takarazuka, which is all female casts. It's like kabuki, but the other way around. This would be like, it's kabuki, so it's a female character, but all male actresses or actors. But today they are Yasumi. Looks like some girls over here in red trying to make a TikTok. And a couple, I guess they're gonna make some wedding photos. Lots of people around here shooting some video. There's the Glyco Man. Been through here on several different streams, but usually walking south. Oh my god. That is a lot of people. So many people. Like I said, I tried this recently. I'm gonna make a short on it. It'll be on the channel, so make sure to check it out. I really like this. This is great. This is the craft matcha latte. There's all the people, but check that out.
後ろ回らずに前を進みください。
think they just started up the lights. Alright, gonna walk up to the next block here and then hang a right. Oh, the lights are on. Just look at all these people. Alright, so no idea what that was or what was going on, but it looked really pretty and lots of people. So I think the place that I want to go is this way. This is what the back streets of Osaka look like. Lots of restaurants. Fujiyama Cobra closed. It's only 5 on a Thursday. So right now we are getting close to the restaurant, I think. Hope outside the main Shotengai. It looks like, ooh, it's a cool shot of the moon just past that apartment building. Don't you like it? I believe the place I'm looking for is just right across the street. I really like the city lights at night. Maybe we'll try to walk back, have a little night stream. Yeah, Cafe Mongolia. That's where we're going, Mongolia. Oh, my buddy's already inside, so. All right, so I've made it to my destination at Cafe Mongolia. I'm gonna pop in there and have dinner. I'm actually gonna shoot a video in there as well. So if you like that one and you wanna watch that one, it'll be here as well as another video that you might enjoy from Something Found in Japan. Mata ne!